Whakalawhalahi atu mahane e tau walatala tutupu ke lata mai awhiawhi. Good evening. In our news bulletin for tonight, kua hataki atu he whahinga hua vai tau tangata ke tunu e vai ka inu, ha koe tau sivianga ne kua tau sia he whahi malolo seno. The Water Division has advised the public to start boiling drinking water due to confirmed water contamination. Kua whakamolia he whakatuwhono ke malikisi ha ke tau tuku hau ke lata i mai tau tapaka. Government has approved an increase to the tobacco products tax. Tamai whoki ue manukuri ke langmatai atu ai ke he matangahua tutulipuaka. The project to minimise feral pigs population is in for a boost with 2 more hunting dogs. Pale ko atu e tau mtakau ke he sivianga lolongo ne whakamtapatu ai he matangahua tumua ki whanua ke he uru. More than 10 groups faced off in a song quest held last Friday as part of awareness for Ridge to Reef. Mawhala e tau whakawhiawhia he awhakatata ha Awasele. Awasele community pulled together to host a great show day. Nā kai hangahanga mita ke tuanga he vai he motu he mga hone, mai kua hata ki atua e ke he tau tangata ke tunu e vai to inu. Ko ai whailoanga nei ne kua maua mai ha kua mai ki ai whahinga hua vai, whalataha me whahi malolo seno, ke tau se tu sivianga ke he tawana he vai. Koe vai koe koloma huinga ke lata mai tau momu i tangata, mai kua tupe ai whahinga hua. Ha kua maua i tau hotaki, kua whai moko ni kua maua ke he vai, ke he motu si kua lali ke whai tau se anga, ke nā kei lauia e tau malolo seno he tau tangata.
Tunga ia ke he moa e test results mai he whahi health, tunga nea ka haluturanga hua ia ka koe o ke tamaitu samples he tau wai osi niwe, tau maanga osi. Si moa e tau results mai he tapuka moari, he end of mtahiko he tapuka moari, si kisia e kua lahi mahaki tau moko ia ni kua hai lote tau wai he tau tūru. Ai koe tau tūra vai ni, ka koe pihia whuki ni he tau pamu vai. Suka mena ia ni kua whono i mawhisi e whahinga hua, me whahinga hua mamaloro sino, e whuki ni me whahi environment, e takatakai motu, e neafi, e kisikise da puhala kua hawhi, e puhala ke tausia ki tō matanga hua nei. Hakua nono ki ainga hawa lahi mahaki longa i tō maanga ni mua i tō moko nei ki tō wai horo tō. Si koe mena ia ni kua tupe he maho nei hako e longa pihi e maanga ni kua ke lea i tō wai.
Ka matanga hua tuai ke whakamea e tula vai i Paliasi, mai matuta ki atu whoki ke he whalo tau maangi toa, mai whai mana atu whokalau tōlu ke lata e mai tau tangata ke mai longa mai mui toa ki ai.
Koe mga honei, koe hataki ni ke tau tangata ke tunu i tō wai haro tōru. Tō inuai. Hai e tō puipuianga ke me nonoang he whahinga hua, me whahi maloro sino. Ke onono koe ingoa e tau mena ni asipihia e wai tō tō. Siku hai e tō whauru mena whoki, e tonga e tō papuaka, me tō ne tātātu ki he whauru tō pūwai. Siku e whahinga hua environment mene nonono he whangaia, ke walaia. Mo e ngahua oroana mo tōru ke hawhene puhala hake mana sikoa sua kamata he ahonei e tau se ngahua ia. Me matutaki ni ke whahi malolo sino ke riu ora tōru ke tesi poki tō wai poki ki sia mōri.
Matutaki angai e tau kumikumiang he whahinga hua ke kisia kua hengo e tau kakano ne kua laulahi pehene e le kua. Kua pehe mai e whahinga hua ke maua e kawhataha mai he tau tangata ke aua ne ke lauia e tau malolo sino mo e whakatumau ke whai whakailoanga ke he tuang he vai he motu ke he tau mga humua. Households are being encouraged to boil their drinking water because there is an island-wide contamination following water quality sampling tests last week. Water is essential and the concerns about the water quality are serious, but the Water Division is working with the Health Department and Environment to handle the situation.
After we received the test results from health end of last week, there was some concern about the quality of the water. There's a widespread of contamination now with the reservoirs as well as the water bores. And at the moment we are trying to clean the tanks at most concern, and we take it from there. It's not only Alofi areas, but also around Niue as well. So yes, it's a concern now that we need to address because of the contamination to some of the water bores as well as reservoirs.
Water quality tests conducted by the Public Health Division identified that there was E. coli bacteria present in the water, and there is now a plan of action in place to deal with the contamination, especially in the township of Alofi.
The main concern now is the water tanks up at Paliasi. The yellow tank feeding the schools as well as the upper areas. A lot of bacteria present in the water, and also the SP6 water bore feeding those tanks. And because of the school starting early next week, we want to clear those water of contamination. That's Alofi, for Alofi North as well as the Paliasi upper area, as well as also the tanks up at Tapeu. There's some contamination as well, but not as bad as the ones up at Paliasi. Also Mutalau is a high count as well. Tuapa high count as well. So we put in a plan to start from Alofi, then slowly try and address those other villages that presence in the water, bacteria presence in the water.
The Water Division is working on rectifying this problem, and Health will conduct more tests. In the meantime, people have been advised to boil drinking water until further notice. Whakamoali mai tuai he whakatuwhono. Kua amana ki ai ke malikisi hake e tuku hau ke lata mai tau koloa tapaka, ka mata mai he aho taha ia Novema. Koe whiwhirianga nei muitua ke taha maweheanga ne kua whakamoali ai he whakatuwhono he tau uawhe mai ono. Kua whai mangaho he tau sea e tau whakaroanga whai malolo seno, mai ono anuanga ke he tau puhala, ke whakauase ula tapaka, he whalutu tangata mo tau malolo seno. Kai mitaki ha kua whai pehianga mai he whakatuwhono poki. Koe mangaho nei, toroua e maukoloa ni kua mai ke ta mai, e tau tapaka ke motu koe Alice mai Central Services, tal hau mai he tahe tau maukoloa, wa ole atua he mangaho nei ke whai whakatutalanga mo e tau hukui whakatuwhono, wa ke whahinga hua tuku hau ke whakakisi manatu, ha kua mawhisi lahi e manako nei, mo e lahi mahaki whoki he malikisi hake, koe tau tutongi ni kua ilo ke mangaho nei fuafua koe hongwhamatole tāla, ke hongwhamalime tāla, ke he tahe e ke te tapaka, ka koe uafu maua e tāla ke he tapaka tāi. Nā kai maheno koe lahi whewhe e tau tupe ke whakatau ka eke ke malikisi hake mo tau tuku hau whou. I loa mai hahai e maweheanga ni kua whamoli ai ke he whakatuwhono tau uawhi mai ono, mo koe tau whakataitaiha nei ke tau se whakamata whakatuwhono. Koe taha whiwhirianga whoki ni koe tau se ke nā kai whakafua e tapaka ke he whale whakafua kawa. He whakatuwhono. Government has approved an increase in duty for tobacco products to come into effect as of the 1st of November this year. The decision was made in line with the Niue Customs Tariff Regulations 2006, and duty-free sales of tobacco products has also been removed. Niue ratified the Framework Convention on Tobacco Control, and this is part of the commitment to implement tobacco control legislation. Niue's health department has run countless campaigns to encourage people to cease smoking, and this recent push from government is a turn in the right direction from a health perspective. According to the Customs Division, there are currently 2 licensed importers who can bring in tobacco products. However, there have been some reservations from one of the importers stating that there has been little consultation and this is rather sudden. They have requested time to discuss this further before implementing the proposed increase. There is a strong focus to protect young people and prevent them from starting smoking or becoming addicted. Whakatū maua ngai e metakau ngā hua tuturi puaka ke whakaonga i tau mankuri ke tukutuku hefo e tau numela puaka vau. Koe matanga hua nei I lalo hefo he whainga hua ke te whahi whakatufunga sia ne ka mata ke ue tau e ko moale. Mai ke heke he te puhala ne kua lali ke te pakia ke te puaka si ki sia ko mua te ni mitaki ke whakaonga i tau kuri. Hoko mai pulotu ko Glenn Osborne mai New Zealand mai hana tau mankuri ke langmatai atuai wai ki sia kua holo mitaki kai tau fi whakakū he te mga hui ko moale. Wali mai a ia ke whai matuta ki anga whoki mai matakau ngā hua ke kisia kua hoko ki whē tau whakaholoanga.
Mole te ue tau me whai ta mawala. Ko maone ko kawi ki he ue se ua fūre pāka motu ko ta masi ke latai me pāka lai me tuturi pāka ni whakaonga e tau kuri. Whiawhia lahi motori o atu ke la motai pungotu ke lotori to tangata. Ma lotori to palau ne whakai he tau pāka ke tuturi to monu nini. Ke mai ke lotori ke tō e tau fua lotori whanua mai ai tupe atu ke tau ponu nini o atu ke momoho lotori to palau.
Koe taha wala whoki ni ko tau se e tau whakakuanga mai whalu tangata he motu, ha koe ki sia e holo mi take tau whakaroanga mai ke whoki ke whai mankuri kua tamai.
I ke tau kuri ua whau nini e tamai e tōtoro matakainanga ko Glenn. Ko maunu le mahina lau, tau kuri whau. Aila mitaki lahi tunga ke hoko atu e mitaki ke tau kuri ni tamai e whakapu. Kana pia toi ni e tau kuri whau nei, hako e tamai ke lari ke tausia matori nei ke whakako e tau kuri ke mahua ni ke utaka ke whakatuturi ke tau pāka si hoko atu me ke tau ua ke tauri tau, so kamata te me e tau kuri ke mitaki si o ni me moe.
Koe tau puaka vau, kua lohi ka lea mai tau whahinga ho whanua, ha kua kai mai mō wai e tau palau he tau tangata, kai haha iei whoki e tau hata ki anga mai tau tangata whau manu puaka.
E manako ni whakamone mori ke ole angi ke tau tangata i motu ke tukula hamtoura tau puaka I loto he tau pāpuaka. Ko ilo ausi tau touru e mata whutu whanua ni he motu tau touru whoi ko ke tuku tau puaka hamtoura I loto tau pā. Ko longa whuk te mga ahuna whaotu matouru tuturi puaka, hai ni tau puaka ne whai oviko tau pā. Whanubongo tauwhi matouru tuku I loto tau pā. Whanubongo tauwhi tu kuri ke o atu kai ke ngā ngau tau puaka ni halo tau, ko I lata ke pia mo nau matakainanga. Ko lata ausi tau touru ke tuku tau puaka I loto tau pā. Ke o atu ko tau puaka ni ne whawhihala atu ke tau wau. Si o atu whoki kai tau palau tau whalu touru ni a tau matakainanga. Ne toka I tau palau tata atu he touru tau pāpuaka.
Koe matanga hua tuturi puaka, aonga lohi ke lata me te whainga whanua, moe mai kei e tau tangata ke matuta ki atu ke matakau ngā hua kai ke kumanako langatai. Wild pigs are an ongoing problem, especially for farmers, but the pig hunting project under the Ministry of Natural Resources is helping control numbers. Over the past 2 years, the Invasive Species Project has looked at different trapping methods, but the use of pig hunting dogs has proven to be the most successful. Glenn Osborne has returned to Niue to follow up on progress and provide further support.
We're just trying to reduce the numbers as the contract we're trying to do. Obviously, since the last time I was back, which is probably about 2 years ago, the boys and with our contract work, we've probably killed about 240 odd pigs, 250 odd pigs, which is a very big number here in Niue, and it has made a big reduction in terms of people phoning in and their plantations haven't been eaten. So I mean that's all part and parcel is the reduction of the pig population so that they don't destroy plantations. And obviously we're trying to look at the numbers with the coconut crab as well, reducing the killing of the coconut crabs and trying to get the population back up to standard. We've had workshops with the pig hunting community. Most of them are too busy doing their own things, so we've basically come down to obviously hug it, working hard, and Hallie being his support person, but I'm pretty sure Hallie's come to the time where he can go out there and start hunting by himself. And obviously our friend Carla, who's quite an experienced pig hunter as well. If those three can work together, I'm pretty sure they can keep the population down.
The local team are also familiarising themselves with the introduction of 2 new dogs, and that will no doubt be a valued addition to the team.
I brought 2 more young dogs over. These ones are only 16 months old, so they've only just started hunting at probably the age of 12 months. But the process from here on in is basically time out in the bush, so they have to get them out hunting whenever they can, because for a dog to really start to hunt correctly and start to hunt by themselves, it normally takes around 3 to 4 years of age, and these dogs are obviously a year and a half away from that. But the more hunting they do and the more times they get out in the bush, the more they learn and they understand a lot better, which obviously will increase their chances of producing the goods before. With only having 3 dogs that are able to hunt, normally back in New Zealand, I'll have like 3 dogs hunting at one time, and then I'll rest them, then hunt another 3. But obviously we can't do that at this stage.
Although the project is making some progress, there is an appeal to piggery owners to keep their pigs in pens, because those left to wander eventually become feral and add to the problem.
Planning moving forward is to keep working with the dogs that they have here, especially the young ones. They need to be still a year and a half away from them being a mature dog, which they then are able to hunt by themselves. So from that stage there, we'll give them time in the bush, and then after that time I will probably bring another another dog that's already mature, between 4 and 5 years of age, and the dog is probably going to be a little bit harder. Obviously the pigs are being chased a little bit more often, and they need a harder dog just to find and grab that pig straight away. To help the cause, I think just having a little bit more control of the pigs that they have in their pens. Obviously there's that local saying that the pig pens have 3 sides. If we could just close up that other side a little bit and stop some of the pigs getting out, it's going to help the cause, because obviously some of them will go into the wild and breed up as well. But I mean, it's in saying that, it's not that easy to do that, you know. They've got to feed their pigs somehow. Yeah, it has been fantastic coming here to Niue. I love coming to this place. I've made some pretty good friends, and all in all, it's my holiday time that I like to spend over here working and working with the people of Niue, trying to get the reduction of these pigs down to a level which is satisfactory.
Glenn will continue to support the team from New Zealand and is confident that the team on island have the capacity to continue moving forward. Tokolong ito tangata ni ko tolo atu ai ki plia se ki ha fia flai le ken lata me whakaolanga lolong whetoko he tamtakau ni ko whakataka he mtakau tumua ki whanua ki hilulu me mtakau te whate motu. Toko hongfulu ma whai mtakau ne kua tohi e tohingoa ke whetoko kai hongfulu ma tolu ni ne hokose atu ai ki he siviang lolongo. Toko li me mtakau lalahi mai toko walu e mtakau I kiiki ne ko mai ke ai ke lolongo e tau lolongo ni ko whasipawaki ke he matapatu mana atu ke pui e tumua ki whanua ki he ulu hani we. Ko e tau tutuanga ke he tau lolongo he tau mtakau I kiiki kau ne tūtolu e mtakau ta fisi o ta serenaders ma maha kupu ua ke mtakau hanamui me kau tu e mtakau taihuni. Ko e fufuta ke he tau mtakau lalahi ne kua tūtolu e mtakau Ons mataha blue mai mtalau ua ke mtakau he ango tukulunga ma kautu wa e mtakau ta kele whanua mai mo wai lutu le palepale ku matalahi hai e te palepale poki ke lata mai mtakau ne kua naka e whakaonga e to lapa kofi tu ngai mtakau ne mo wai e leviatana mo wai mtakau tama mai tuapa e kotowhanga poki te hingoa koe wildcard ke lata mai puli po ke lata mai mtakau ne kua kautu ke tau bebeheanga ne ua o taihuni me mtakau hataki ale whanua, amana ki ai ke whakatata me whakatangi ai tau lolongo ia ke leo tāu niwe, pia whuki me TV niwe, o tuku atu ai ke viri ai he tau tangata. O whiwhiri ai e mtakau ka mō ai pale mo te lai koe lime awhi e tau tāla. There were a lot of people at Niue High School's multi-purpose hall last Friday for the Song Fest hosted by Rich Tarif and the Niue Youth Council. A total of 14 groups were registered, but on the night only 13 performed on stage. Original songs composed specifically for the song quest based on the theme of protecting the land and reef on Niue. There were 2 different categories, and there were 5 big groups and 8 small groups. Leviatana won the best traditional chant and a cappella for the night, and Tama Maituapa took out the best young wildcard. For the small groups, the Fisiuta Serenaders came 3rd, 2nd place went to Namoui, and 1st place went to Taihuni. As for the big groups, 61 Blues took 3rd place, 2nd place went to the Niue High School Polyfest group for 2018, and the 1st prize went to Takele Fonua. The 2 winning songs from each category will be broadcasted on Radio Sunshine and TV Niue for the next 2 weeks, open for a public vote on which song will be featured as Bridge the Reef's theme song and win the top prize of $5,000. Tolua te tangata ki lio lau ki hawhaium galat mai aha whakatata he maanga ko awasele o Nyoni Pata. Matala he maanga ni ha koe talhawanga koe maanga whakamua hane ne tau se te waho pakitau whikau he nei kai whakaingoa koe gala day ko whakalula hea tu whoki ke longa tau whakaroanga lata mai aha whakatata he maanga. Koe tau fwoi whanua tahe tau whakaroanga ni ko mua te whiawhia tu tangata ki watu me kiskiski ai tu maua ngai ni tau malolo e tau he maanga. Malonga tau koloa kai whoki, whakakis tau malolo i te matutane, ne whai ngā hua ke whanua. Koe tau ngā hua lima he tau whiwhine, koe kisia e koe mua te whulwhala he te pulo lau tūlu ne koe lalanga mua te ke te pulo pia, mai whalu koloa ka lai e whoki. Koe whakakisiang hanei he anganga kau whakatahe maanga, koe kisia whoki, e mawhise te whakaroang he aho, whakakatoa toi, me te kuri mai he te whata, amana ki ni ke whakatū mau e tau malolo hawa sele ki liu ke whilewea ke tau ka hau. Leola was buzzing with action as Awasele hosted their village show day, where food was plentiful. The crowds braved the scorching heat, and Awasele prides itself as the first village to host such events that originally started as a gala day and has grown to include so much more, but it is all about celebrating community spirit. The agricultural display tent was full of fresh produce and some good-sized coconut crabs and taros. The women's craft work showed great talent, especially the finely woven hats that made from the arrowroot fibre, a novelty Awasele women are very well known for. This year's entertainment segment was shorter than usual, and groups chose to perform dances with a bit of Latin flavour, and that kept the crowds entertained. The day wrapped up with the seka throwing with promise for bigger things yet to come next year. And that concludes our news bulletin for this evening. We do hope that you can join us again for our next news bulletin next week. And we would also like to wish everyone a happy 43rd Constitution celebration. Pēnā te malatala te tupu ni ko moa mai ke lata mai a whiawhinei. Manako ke tuku atu te ui whakamuina ke he mutu katoa, ha koe whakawhiawhianga, he whangfu maturu e tau he pule whakamutu. Kia no nofua, Munui ne pō tuli liuni ke whilewea.